Alright, start record.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Azrul Afiq. Welcome to our second group discussion. Today we will select one news story each for our SDG themes, climate action and quality education, and prepare our script for the final news report. Let's start by briefly sharing the key news story each of you found last time. We will start with Daniel. Could you start with climate action, Daniel?
Alright, my name is Muhammad Daniel. Thanks, Azuddin. I found a new report about the UNDP's Climate Promise 2025 initiative, which helps countries create ambitious climate plans to reduce emissions by 43% by 2030 and phase out fossil fuels. It is a global effort to meet the Paris Agreement goals.
I also found this initiative important. Additionally, I read about the Southern Asian Mangrove Restoration Project, which protect coastline and help absorb carbon. It's the nature-based solution that benefit both the environment and the local communities.
Those are great examples. I come across youth lead climate strikes worldwide during Earth Month 2025, showing how young people are demanding urgent climate action and rising awareness.
I agree. All the stories are impactful. I also found news about the U.S. generating more electricity for renewables than fossil fuels for the first time, which shows progress in clear energy transition.
Okay, thanks everyone. Which of these stories do you think would be most effective for our final report on climate action? Let's each other share our preference. Start with Daniel.
I prefer the UNDP Climate Promise 2025 because it covers global cooperation and measurable targets.
I agree with Daniel. It's a comprehensive and show how countries are supported to act.
While I think youth activism is inspiring, focusing on the Climate Promise 2025 might have broader impact.
From me, I also support the Climate Promise 2025 story. It connects policy, finance, and action.
Okay, nice. Looks like we have some consensus. The Climate Promise 2025 will be our final story for SDG 13. Okay, so now let's discuss quality education. Afiq, could you start first?
Okay, sure. I found that Malaysia Schooling 2025 reform plans is a strong candidate. It aimed to improve education quality by revising the curriculum, reducing the subject, and promoting the mother tongue instruction. So it can make it easy for students.
I also like that story. I found news about distributing learner workbooks nationwide to support literacy and numeracy, which complements the reform plan.
Good points. I came across a global initiative by the Global Partnership for Education that focused on expanding access for marginalized children and improving teacher training.
Yeah, I think the Schooling 2025 plan is more relevant for our local context and shows concrete government action.
Okay, great. Let each other share which news stories you think we should choose for the final report?
Fake, open the mic.
I vote for Schooling 2025 because it's cover multiple aspects of the educational reforms.
Same here. It addresses quality and inclusivity.
I agree with Schooling 2025 as well.
Yeah, I also support the choice too.
Okay, looks like we all agree on Schooling 2025 for SPG 4. So now let's plan how to structure our scripts for the final report. We should include, first of all, introduction to the SDG 10, summary of the news story with key facts, third, why it matters locally and globally, and for the last one, a call to action or concluding talk.
For climate action, I can introduce the global climate emergency and explain the climate promise 2025 initiative.
I will cover the detail for the Schooling 2025 education reform and its expected impact.
I can help with transition between segments and add point about the importance of youth involvement in both of them.
I like to present the local relevance and challenges for both SDG.
So I will summarize and provide the concluding remarks for both of them. Now, let's discuss how to rehearse. We can each prepare our parts individually, then meet to practice together.
Yeah, I will draft my script section by May 15 and share it with the group.
Well, then I will do the same with my part.
I will prepare a transition line and coordinate with everyone.
I review all parts and suggest improvement.
Okay, perfect. We will meet again on May 17 to rehearse the full report. So about this discussion, any question or concerns before we finish?
Should we include specific data like the 43% emission reduction target in the climate promise 2025 script?
Yes, including key figures will make the report stronger.
For the education, should we mention challenge like funding and the teacher training also?
Definitely, a balanced view is important.
Can we briefly mention how education support climate action?
Okay, good idea, Aisha. A short link between the two SDG will add depth. So, any question? No, right. Thanks everyone for our contribution to summarize. We selected the UNDP Climate Promise 25 and Malaysian Schooling 25 as our final news stories. Second, Daniel and Afiq will draft their script parts by May 15. Third, we will rehearse together on May 17. And for the last one, the final recording is planned for May 20.
Sound good.
Sounds good.
Forward
I'm looking forward to it.
to it.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Okay, great. Let's work hard and to make our news report informative and engaging. See you all soon. Thank you. So that's all from
Thank
me.
you.
That's all from us. Thank you.